Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. Very few amongst the highest degrees achievers in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on how to make YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnail plays an important role. It gives you an overview of how this video has to be. So, thumbnail is the and how to make it is also very creative. You can make it on mobile phone, laptop, PC, iPhones by using various applications like Canva, pixellab, this is 100% true what I'm delivering. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channels Tech Yogeshkumar. In laptop Canva application www.canva.com, if you type in and the website will open, Canva website will open, and it'll make you log in with your Gmail address or any email address, and will give you all options which it has to be there for making attractive thumbnail, banners, picture art, size plays an important role in making banners, thumbnails, picture art, for that matter. You should make attractive thumbnail so that by looking at it only it is clickable to the audiences, wide audiences. Around the world. In mobile application, in Play Store you install pixellab, pixellab, and install on your device. Click on the installed pixellab application and it will open with center button at the topmost of the side you delete that text at the middle of the pixellab uh, application, and by clicking on three dots at the topmost left side of the corner of your mobile, or three dots are there, you select image size. It will give you all image sizes for YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, channel art. Select YouTube thumbnail, size will come, and you can select the color of the stick. By the bottom of the buttons are there. You click on the color option, make the background of the thing according to your color. You can add photographs and various symbols of YouTube, Facebook. Click on plus button and get all the images if you want on your thumbnail to be made. Click on the plus button and to get all your image and about YouTube symbols, Facebook symbol. You can add according to your this thing, and you can arrange it, and at the right hand corner of the this thing square button is there, where you click it on it, and you can lock it, and so that that image where you be used is not be, it will stay still at that particular place. Text you can add by clicking on the plus button, and click on text button, and you can write all text, your channel name, and click on OK button. All OK button, and then the size, if you want, you can on the bottom of the corner of the pixellab application, all the features are there, all buttons are there, so you can select size, and according to your you can add various fonts of your text by clicking on font size. By clicking on it, and you will get all images like Arial Black, Daniel Black, blogger underscore Ambranath, bold. You can download all the fonts which you want, so you can select it, and then you can use enable shadow shadow button and then enable it, and stroke also you can give. If you don't like it, and then you remove it at this thing, and it will show you on this thing. And at this, you can add background of the your picture by downloading various backgrounds, PNGs, and you make it to the back. You can shift it. Various buttons are there. If you keep on doing it, and you will learn by practicing. So video made for you can write title in big text, and font also you can give accordingly by clicking on plus button text. Then you just write for example how to uh, make thumbnail. You can for YouTube channel, you can add YouTube symbol also, PNGs, so that it should not consume more space. Uh, on Chrome browser, you can make simple thumbnail, which is acceptable to the YouTube standards. So that PNG images you should take it, consider it, not JPG and JPG. Uh, After you have completed your this thing, your thumbnail with attractive uh, pictures and text, you should click on three buttons, and you will select export image. Export image will you save it on PNG, selects PNG, and then select the ultra version, because it will it will give you an attractive look, and click on save to gallery. So it will be saved in your gallery. By practicing only, you can make the attractive thumbnail. You will learn with the time that attractive thumbnail which has to be made on various applications like Canva and pixellab. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.